Welcome to Ample Blazer's video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do a general cleanup and a virus scan on your Windows computer. Now, I'm going to be using a couple of programs. You could be using different programs. Some people may say that the programs that I use are not the greatest, but these are just a few programs that I use to clean it up. Now, there are ways that you can clean your computer of viruses and malware and just cleaning it up in general, just using the Windows tools. But I'm just going to use third-party tools in this video tutorial, and maybe later on I'll do another video just using the Windows tools just to show you how that works. But first things first, so we're going to use these programs. The first program is CC Cleaner or CCleaner. This basically cleans up your C drive of any temporary and unnecessary files and does a registry cleanup as well. The other tool is Malwarebytes. This is different from an antivirus. It protects you from malware and all that kind of stuff. So that does that, and I'm just using the free version of both of these software. And then I've got a paid antivirus, which is Bitdefender Total Security, and I'll be doing a quick scan on that. Now you can choose a system scan, but I'll do a quick scan for the purposes of the video. Now, first things first, what we'll do is we'll close the browser, because when running CCleaner, it will tell you that your browser is open, blah blah blah. So what we'll do is close that. So the first thing is we run CCleaner. Now you can do a health check. This is more of a graphic interface, GUI, GUI. All we do is click start, and it's telling us to close that, and we'll just say close and analyze. Just close that. Okay, now it's running the checking of the PC's health. It's telling us it's a bit under the weather. So like I said, it's a GUI, so it's not actually telling you a lot, but it just tells you that you've got some privacy things there, some space can be freed up, and one startup app can be disabled, and 3 apps to be updated in regards to security. Now these two are pro, so if I wanted to purchase it, then I could go to these ones, but it's going to just look after these two for me, and all I need to do is click on make it better. So your PC is feeling good now. Make it feel like a superstar with Pro. So again, this is just advertising, but that's that for the health check. But what you can also do is a custom clean. Now this is like the health check, but more detailed in regards to what it takes and clears. Now you can do that. We'll just run a CCleaner there. We'll just say, do we wish to continue? Yes. So it clears out your browsing. Okay, it's told you what it's done there. We'll analyze it again. That's all done. Now, the other thing is you've got Performance Optimizer. I don't normally use this. I think this is also something that you've got to purchase to be able to use, and driver update as well. What we can do is hit continue and have a look at it. So it just gives you a brief understanding of what what the drivers are. Is updating safe. Scan your drivers. Now normally, I'm just doing this for the purpose of the video, but normally you would do the health check, custom, clean, and just the registry. Okay, it's in here, but what I would really be doing is using Windows Update for this, and then you can do the updates yourself. I don't really want to use CCleaner for that. So anyway, we go to registry, and this will clear up the registry for these little items. So we go scan for issues. Finds a bunch of stuff, runs the scan. Shouldn't take long. Okay, that's done. And then we go review selected issues. Now, do you want to back up the registry before making these changes? You can, but I've never had an issue with this. It just gets rid of unnecessary files. It doesn't affect your registry from what I can see. So I just click on no, and we've got 29 unused file extensions or items that need to be removed. So we just say fix all selected issues. 29 out of 29 has been done. We close it and we run the scan for issues again just to see if it's cleared up completely. Now usually there's one item there. Yep. So one or two items there. We'll just review, say no, fix all, close, scan for issues again. Yep, so these are the main two that just stay there. We're going to leave those alone. So once that's done, you just close it. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll go to Malwarebytes. And Malwarebytes, this is the free version again. So all I really want to do here is click on the scan button. This may take some time, depending on how big your C drive is with all the files. So you've got to give this some time. It does check for updates first, then it scans your memory, scans your startup items, scans the registry, and then the file system. So it checks all those components or elements of the computer system for any malware, because malware can be sitting in any of those elements of the computer. So we'll just wait for that to happen. So you can see that it's done the memory, it's scanned the startup items, and it's scanned the registry as well, and now it's doing the file system. And this file system part is normally the longest taking part. So we truly have to wait here. You can have scan scheduler, and this will schedule a scan like an antivirus scan, but you've got to purchase the software, and no reports are available at the moment because the scan's still happening. So we've got to wait for this to finish. Now, while it's scanning, you can see there's a detections area, and that's got 0. So while it scans, if it picks up something, it will have a number there, and then at the end of this scan, if you found something, it will give you a list of the malware that it finds, and then you can click on remove and do all those kind of things to remove the malware. But if I don't have anything, you will just get a report of how many files being scanned and nothing's been found, like so. You've got this report. You can see the scan time's been 3 minutes 10 seconds. Item scan 311,548, and nothing's been found. You can go to view report. This gives you that kind of thing. You can go to advanced. Gives you this kind of thing and tells you where the log file is. So you can see it's pretty clean. Now you can export this, copy to clipboard, or make it a text file. We'll close it. We've got nothing to worry about, so we click on done, and you can close that. Now we'll go to Bitdefender and show you how that works. Now you can use Windows antivirus, whatever you're using. Normally an antivirus has quick scan and a full scan. I would recommend, doing a system scan regularly, but for the purposes of the video, again, as I was saying, we're going to do a quick scan. So click on that, and you can see, like the malware scan, it is actually doing a C drive scan, a quick scan, and it's telling you the files that it's going through right now. So we've just got to play the waiting game here, and hopefully we get nothing affected. So we've got unresolved items and resolved items. So I guess anything that's unresolved has got a virus, a bug, something, and password protected files, it'll detect those as well. So we're just going to wait and see what happens. So you can see it's done the quick scan. It's told me your system is clean. It's done 16,046 files under 5 minutes, which is awesome. Resolved, didn't need to resolve anything. There was no unresolved items, and there was no password protected files. Now if you want to view the log, click that. View the log. You can see this is sort of the report, like the Malwarebytes. This is the report. So we've got basic, nothing there. Advanced, nothing there. Scan options. So these were the options that we were scanning for. We've got nothing like that. Target processing. Log only. And scan engine summary. All good. So that's the log. Happy with that. This is where the log file is put in, so you can check it there. Close on that, and we can close on that as well. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That's how we do a quick clean of your Windows computer. If you have any questions, by all means, don't forget to send us an email to info@ampliblaze.com. As well as don't forget to subscribe and subscribe to our channel and like our videos. It will help us a lot. Thank you for watching.